Today we will discuss about the Hofmann-bromamide reaction. This reaction is also known as Hofmann degradation reaction. This reaction is widely used in the formation of primary alkyl or aryl amines. The advantage of this reaction is this, that we get one carbonless amine from our reactant primary amide compound. For example, another example, here in the reactant primary amide there is two carbons, 1 and 2, and in the product there is only one carbon. One carbon is degraded, hence the name is Hofmann degradation reaction. Here is same 1, 2, 3, and in the product primary amine 1, 2. One carbon is degraded. Now we describe the Hofmann bromamide reaction, how the reaction takes place. In this reaction, bromine react with potassium hydroxide to form potassium hypobromite. Here this is the potassium hypobromite. This hypobromite transform the primary amide into alkyl isocyanate. Alkyl isocyanate. This alkyl isocyanate attacked by water molecule and undergoes a series of proton transfer reaction leading primary amines. The general reaction for the Hofmann bromamide reaction. Here this is the primary amine and In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas also released, which react with potassium to form potassium carbonate. This is the potassium bromide and water molecule. Now we balance this equation. Here 2 bromine, 2 and 4 potassium. Here is the 4 weight, here 2. This is the balanced equation. Same way is 2, here 4 and here 2. Now we discuss the mechanism of the Hofmann bromamide reaction stepwise. In the first step, potassium hydroxide react with bromine to form potassium hypobromite and potassium bromide. Here 1 and 2 potassium, here 2. Now this potassium hypobromite break into potassium and bromate ion. Break into here. In the next step, this bromate ion attack on our primary amide compound to form N-bromamide. Here the electronegativity difference between nitrogen and hydrogen atom. The electronegativity of nitrogen atom is more than hydrogen. Hence, both the electron of this bond is pulled towards nitrogen. Here negative and backside positive. This proton is attracted by this ion. And Br. This bond is break, here negative and here positive. This nitrogen attract this bromine ion and form N-bromamide. This is the N-bromamide. Now this compound is formed in the reaction is the N-bromamide, hence the name is bromamide reaction, and this is bromamide, bromamide. Now this N-bromamide loss a proton this negative charge undergoes conjugation minus double bond N and E. Now the intramolecular rearrangement takes place. This alkyl group shift here nitrogen and bromine is a bromide atom is a leaving group, and the compound is formed this is the intermediate alkyl isocyanate intermediate, and this is attacked by water molecule. Here the electronegativity difference, bond break towards nitrogen, and the lone pair of electron on oxygen atom abstract the proton. And now oxygen here the positive charge of carbon atom transfer on oxygen. Due to neutralize the oxygen atom, we break this bond, and here the positive and here negative. This is the neutralized, and this proton is abstract by this nitrogen atom. Now this bond break towards oxygen, here negative, and this bond is towards oxygen, nitrogen, and here the positive charge take here positive and negative form bond and release CO2, and this proton is abstract by this nitrogen, and this is form our final product. And so this is the all about Hofmann bromamide reaction. Thank you.